Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals or goals for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goals for this watch or on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect app on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on More, tap on the activities, then tap on Steps, and it will open the Steps page. As you can see, here we have the button called Edit Goal in the top right corner. Tap on it and adjust the goal to your liking by entering the number. You can also enable the auto goal if you want to basically the app will decide the goal for you according to your activity. But once you set the goal, tap on Save. As you can see, it changed. And if you go to the watch, wake up the screen on it, and then open the widget, it should be updated. But I forgot to mention that we need to go back to the home page, and that should sync the watch with our phone. But it does. If it doesn't, tap on More, tap on Garmin Devices, and select, or rather tap on this icon right here to resync the devices. Once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied. So let's wait. Okay, wake up the screen again on the watch, go to Steps widget, and the goal changed, applied. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.